Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech with Just Jingle Tingle. Today we're going to explore creating epics and features in JIRA using a real-world example. Whether you're a seasoned JIRA user or just stepping into agile project management, this video is tailored for you. Let's dive in. Method 1. Creating an epic using the Create button. Step 1. Log into JIRA and navigate to your project. Step 2. Click on the Create button on the top of your screen. Step 3. Select Epic from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Let's name our epic Revamp Checkout Process. This epic aims to improve the user experience during the checkout on our e-commerce website. Step 5. Provide a brief description, assign it to the team and save it. Your epic is now visible on your epic list. Now let's try a different method for creating epics. Method 2. Creating an epic from the epic list. Step 1. Log into your JIRA and navigate to your project. Step 2. Click on Epics in the left-hand menu. Step 3. In the Epics list, click on Create to add a new epic. Step 4. This time, let's name our epic Optimize Product Search, focusing on enhancing the search functionality for a smoother shopping experience. Step 5. Provide a brief description, assign it to the team and save it. Your new epic is now visible on your epic list. Fantastic! Now let's move on to creating features. Method 1. Creating a feature using the Create button. Step 1. Log into your JIRA and navigate to your project. Step 2. Click on the Create button at the top of your screen. Step 3. Select Feature as the issue type. Step 4. Name your feature. Implement one-click purchase. A customer-centric functionality under the Revamp Checkout Process epic. Step 5. Provide details and link it to the corresponding epic. Save the feature and it will be listed under the linked epic. Now, let's try a different approach for creating features. Method 2. Creating a feature directly from an epic as a child issue. Step 1. Navigate to the Optimized Product Search epic. Step 2. Click on Add a child issue. Step 3. Create a new feature like Integrate Advanced Filtering, a functionality that aligns with improving the product search experience. Step 4. Save the feature and it's now linked to the Optimized Product Search epic, establishing a clear hierarchy. Now let's explore why linking epics and features is crucial. Linking an epic and feature. Imagine a scenario where a user wants to find a product quickly and make a smooth purchase. By linking optimized product search epic with integrated advanced filtering feature, you ensure that the search improvement aligns with the broader goal of enhancing the overall user experience during the checkout process. And there you have it. 2 methods for creating epics and features in JIRA, using a real-world example. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more agile tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.